you can easily customize Bitsboard for each user to make the tool work based on the specific user needs. The way to do that is to press on the username instead of the user icon from the Change User screen, and now use the options that we have given here. For example, different students will want to practice with different boards. So you just press on select boards and you can immediately turn boards on and off. So if you just want this student, Sonia, to work on recognizing action words, then you can do that here, super quick and simple. Now when Sonia goes into Bitsboard, if you hide the featured boards and featured classes, the only board she's going to see is the action words board. Now you can further customize Bitsboard by also changing the games. If you want Sonia to only use the flashcard game, for example, again, you can turn all of the games off and voila. Now when she selects the board, she's only going to present it with the games that are turned on. If only one game is turned on, it immediately launches the game. I will show you how that works here. Now you can study all of the action words, study just the favorites, or study the words that need more emphasis, the words that she has previously gotten wrong. So study all.
Dancing.
There we go. It immediately launches just that game. Now you can do the same thing for another student. So let's say Felix, you want him to work on, in this example, just the sentence maker. You want him to work on making sentences. So you just turn that board on. And again, you can also go to select games, and let's say we want to only have him work on the word builder game to create the sentences. There we go, we've just created that. Again, we can hide the featured classes. Felix is presented with the sentence maker board. He clicks on it. Now in this case, I forgot to turn the flashcard game off. So let me fix that quickly. I press on the name, select games, turn flashcards off, and I go back.
He likes the squirrel.
And immediately I'm in the sentence maker game for that board. So that truly shows you a little bit of the power of customizing Bitsboard at the user level. There's more tweaks that you can do. For example, sometimes, especially with young kids, you want to remove the ability for them to add boards. The way to do that is you go to settings, accounts, and right here, can add boards, you remove that. So now they're presented with a very clean user interface. And if you also want to prevent the user from getting into the catalog and the settings, the way to do that is you just add a restriction, either the child log, if that's simple enough, or you can create your own passcode, in which case, if you just make this 1, 2, 3, 4, now the user can no longer enter the settings page. They have to first enter the passcode. Same with the catalog, same with even changing the user. So now you've really streamlined the user experience because you just have them focus on the boards. Now, one other thing that is really cool is you can also very simply check out the stats. So you click on here and you can press on old scores to see how the user is doing, which words they're struggling with for which games. So that is how Bitsboard is very simple and easy to customize at the user level. There are some advanced features such as customizing specific games for each user that will be covered in a separate video.